welcome back to another scratch video. So guys, how are you guys doing? So, today we're going to go over some more of the sensing blocks, and we're going to take the sensing blocks in three parts because sensing is a very important topic you guys need to know, and same with operators, variables. They're the advanced topics, so they're very important topics. So today we're going to go over a few more sensing blocks. So, wait, let me move my camera. Great. Okay, good. We're going to go to my scratch. Boom. I'm going to make my camera a bit bigger. So, are you guys ready to start? Okay, the blocks we're going to go over today are we're gonna go over all of these blocks here. Okay? These are the blocks we're gonna go over. Okay? So, we're gonna go over those blocks. So, are you guys ready? Boom, let's go. The first one we're gonna do is the ask what your name is and wait block. Great block. It's gonna help you a lot. So let me move my camera here. We can grab, we'll get the one green flag click block, and when we click the flag, it's going to ask what your name is. Say Abhijay, and say cool. This block is getting the user's input. So when it asks what your name is, we get to type it. We get to tell the program what's our answer to the question, and it gets saved in a variable called, which is the next block we're going to learn about, answer variable. And it says my answer was Abhijay Potluri. And guys, do you want me to show you a cool thing I can do? It's going to ask what's your name. I have to first add a bit more code, and then it's going to wait, and then I can say we can say, we didn't do this block. But this block is we haven't done this block yet. But just using it for now, we can do hi. And then we can also do the answer. So are you ready? It's going to ask us what your name is. I'm going to say, Potluri. I'm just going to say, hi, Abhijay Potluri. Great, you see it? And then if you put a space here, it should be better. Yep, look. Now I can say Sam. Hi, Sam. Look at that. It's cool, right? And if you keep on putting the same answer variable, it's going to keep on overriding your answer. So right now I said Sam. It should say, if I check this one. Oh wait, we didn't answer. Wait, let me show you guys. Here, when I answer, it's gonna say Sam. Wait, let me do my real name. Okay, it's that good. And it says, hi, Abhijay Potluri. And the answer is Abhijay Potluri. And when we change it to, Sam, and then we click check, and then the answer is Sam. You got it? You can use this to get inputs from the user and animations, or even to build your own calculator, which I'll show you in the other next video. And there we go, guys. We just finished 2 blocks in the first 5 minutes of the video. Whoop. We can change this to whatever you want. You can say hi. And then we do that. It says hi. Isn't it fun? Let's see. It says hi. And if we just type in Abhijay Potluri, it should say, hi, Abhijay Potluri. You can make some cool conversations. Let me just do this. What's your name will be the first one. And then the second one will be great. So, what is your most liked food? And then when we do the answer, it could say, it should say, we can get that operator, that cool operator block. Again, we haven't learned about it. Learn about it in the future, so we can say we can say join. Great, I like, and then we can get the answer here and duplicate this. Great, I like that too. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. What's your name? My name is Abhijay Potluri. Then I click check. It says hi Abhijay Potluri. And then it says great. So what is your most liked food? I can say pizza. I know all of you guys are gonna say pizza. Okay. It's gonna say great. I like pizza. Great job, guys. You just learned your first conversation, how to do it. Congratulations. Next, guys, this is gonna be so fun block. No advanced block, so we're just gonna take an if then block and then a forever loop block. Have you guys ever wondered, how do I make my sprites move by our arrow keys? Well, you're gonna learn it in this video. So you can get this key space block or key up arrow block, we can say here. Then we can do this. We can get in motion, change Y by 10. Look at this, guys. This is gonna be so cool. So this is the what I'm gonna explain next. It's sensing what key you pressed and then it will do something. So it has a drop down here if you didn't notice, and it has all the letters, all the numbers, space, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow, and then any key, which is very cool. If we click any key, it would work. This is a very useful block where you can write logic with sensing by pressing keys. Let's see this in action, guys. Let's get a space key. This must be more basic. Oops, and then we can actually, for down arrow, we can basically duplicate it. We can duplicate this, and then we can just change this to down arrow, and this one to up arrow, and then we can change this one to -10. What I did here is making the up arrow, when you click the up arrow, it's gonna move up, and when you click the down arrow, it's gonna move down. When down arrow is for -10, and up arrow is for +10. And here we go. Look at this, guys. Ooh, come on. Oh no, no! This is cool, right? Look at this. I'm pressing up and down arrow keys. Look at this. You can use this a lot in the games. Cool, right? Okay, guys, let's get back. Next block is loading. Yep, mouse down. So you'll need another if-then block here for this one. Okay, you'll need an if-then block for this one. So it's like when your mouse is down, when you click something, not click a particular thing. Where you just click anywhere on the screen, this would happen. So when you click if mouse is down, then we can say change its color, change color. Okay? We can do this. Oops, wrong thing. Okay, and then we can do it. And oh, cool! Look at this, guys. I'm spam clicking, and look at that, it's changing colors. All I'm doing is clicking my mouse. Yeah, this is a sensing block to sense the mouse down event. Look at that. And again, this can be used in games too. Okay, guys, next one. It is where is it? Yep, mouse X. It's a variable, built-in variable. It's gonna tell where your mouse is on the screen. So when you write it in the code, you can say, if mouse X is greater than some number, do this. You can write code like that with the mouse X. So basically checks where your mouse pointer is on the screen. Great. And the next block is pretty much the same, so I don't have to explain it. It's mouse Y. So it's the same thing, but it just checks the Y position, but it'll be different. See, minus 145. So this mouse X, mouse Y, you could use it in the logic to sense like the X and Y position. Like when you click the mouse, it's gonna sense the X and Y position. That's basically all it does. And that's it for today's video, guys. And thank you so much for watching this. In the next video, I'm going to show how to create a calculator using sensing blocks. So tune in for the next video to see how a calculator you can make in Scratch. Thank you guys so much. Have a nice day. Hope you have so much fun coding. See you later, coders. Bye.